Now, there's no denying the fact that the cryptocurrency space is getting hit very hard right now. Guys, we get a lot of crypto news going on out there, from the talk of potentially banning cryptocurrency and Bitcoin miners filing bankruptcy, Sam Bankman-Fried being extradited, Binance potentially in some trouble here. There's a lot going on. There's a lot that needs discussed, and that is exactly what we're going to be doing in this video. So if you guys are interested in the latest cryptocurrency news, and it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2022 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. And look, if you're brand new to investing, you don't know how or where to buy stocks and crypto, you got a link in the description below for Webull. It is super simple to set up your account. Any deposit, you guys are getting at least 6 free stocks, up to 12 free stocks, and a $1 crypto trade is going to get you $5 in free crypto. And if you guys want crypto exclusive exchanges where you can buy, sell, trade, short, leverage, whatever you want to do, you've got KuCoin and Binance down there. Now, please be aware, KuCoin and Binance, yes, they offer rewards for the more active traders. So the more you trade, the more you're going to earn. But also, there's a lot of problems with centralized exchanges right now. There's a lot of concerns surrounding the bankruptcy of FTX and how it's affecting these other centralized exchanges. So it may be a good place to buy, it may be a good place to sell, but it might not be a good place to hold. You guys got to make that decision for yourselves. But we got a lot going on. I'm going to jump into the story right here about Bitcoin miners filing bankruptcy and how this could spread to other cryptocurrency miners. And then we're going to touch a little bit on Sam Bankman-Fried being extradited to the United States. We're going to discuss Binance a little bit and everything hitting the cryptocurrency space right now. One of the largest headlines for cryptocurrency today is that Core Scientific files for bankruptcy as this crypto winter bites. Now, the article goes on to say that Core Scientific, its ticker symbol, it's a publicly traded company, its ticker symbol is CORZ, is one of the biggest publicly traded cryptocurrency mining companies in the United States. They said on Wednesday it filed for Chapter 11 bankruptcy protection, the latest in a string of failures to hit the sector. Obviously, we know all about, Three Arrows Capital, Celsius, Voyager, FTX. Now, the Austin, Texas-based Core Scientific attributed its bankruptcy to slumping Bitcoin prices, which is legitimate, rising energy costs for Bitcoin mining, and a $7 million unpaid debt from Celsius. Core Scientific said in the court filings that they lost almost $435 million over the previous quarter, and they had $4 million in liquid assets. That is it. Now, they go on to say, we don't need to go through the entire article, but its energy costs are rising. It's costing them $900,000 a month in electricity alone to mine Bitcoin. With the falling prices of Bitcoin, they are not profitable, and they are losing $400 and almost $35 million a quarter right now. Therefore, they're going through a restructure. Now, I don't know if you guys own CORZ stock, or if you're thinking about buying it, but Chapter 11 bankruptcies are you may see some volatility, but just be aware, if that stock starts to go up next week or this week, please play it at your own will. But my goodness, they are not in good shape. And the restructuring that is theoretically going to take place in this bankruptcy proceeding here is that the current debtors would end up owning 97% of all of the equity in the company. And I believe it said, yes, they're going to come up with another $56 million for CORZ or CORZ to make it through that there. And it goes on to talk a little bit about the fact that Riot and Mara are down very, very heavy this year in 2022. So cryptocurrency mining. Cryptocurrency mining, if you guys are unfamiliar with it, it all depends on, one, the price of the coins, because clearly the speed at which you mine is not going to increase and decrease dramatically unless you have these large players dropping off. Because the difficulty doesn't necessarily increase or decrease dramatically unless, of course, the competition increases or decreases dramatically. So the price is the major factor in play. The price of the coin, in this case Bitcoin, is the major factor in play when it comes to mining. And the price of electricity also rising due to inflation and all of these other things right now. So cryptocurrency miners and these companies could be in a lot of trouble, and they may be the next string to go in this cryptocurrency space. Something to think about if you guys are currently investing in Riot, Mara, Cores, or any of the other cryptocurrency miners out there. Now, some more news going on in the cryptocurrency space, because that is a very large headline right there, that if these miners, if they are unprofitable and they cannot continue to mine Bitcoin, how does Bitcoin continue to survive? It's going to have to be on some very low, low cost electricity and maybe just individual miners across the globe. Now, let's discuss, there's not too much going on with FTX and Sam Bankman-Fried right now. Discussions of extradition, bringing him back to the United States so that he can be tried and looked into here. You guys kind of know my thoughts on FTX and Sam Bankman-Fried. I do believe that he's guilty of a lot, but I also believe that he was being used, okay? I really do. We're going to see how that plays out, but I'm pretty sure he'll be shut up before we really figure out what was actually going on with all of the laundering and different schemes that just allowed that $8 billion to disappear with FTX. Now, Binance is another interesting one. Binance is catching a lot of flack lately because of their, proof of reserves and all of the audits that they've been doing. People are kind of saying that this is actually not transparent. We don't know how much Binance has in debt. We don't know how much cryptocurrency Binance is holding. We don't know, and therefore that unknowing is causing a lot of fear in the cryptocurrency space. And BNB, or Binance's native token there, is down to about $240 per today, which is very low compared to its historical prices. I believe reaching highs in the 600s, and it is on its way down with the overall cryptocurrency market right now. And all of this coming together, guys, is causing the Senate here in the United States to talk about maybe banning cryptocurrency altogether. Guys, if that narrative gets pushed even further than it is right now, we could absolutely see further declines in prices, not just in Bitcoin, but cryptocurrency in general across the board. It would turn this crypto winter into a much, much longer, colder, darker ice age. And I do believe one day, guys, I'm still bullish long term. Short term, I am definitely bearish, but I do believe one day the cryptocurrency market will be one of the largest markets across the globe. I want to know what you guys think. Down in the comments below, you got a lot of cryptocurrency news going on out there right now. What do you guys think of all those stories? And of course, if that button right there is still red, make sure to click it. Subscribe to the channel. Join us. Become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. You guys got ClayBro 883 everywhere. You're getting 6 to 12 free stocks on Webull, KuCoin, and Binance, free Discord. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.